Amplify Your English. Mastering Adverb plus Adjective Collocations. Hello language learners. Welcome to another engaging session on English language learning. Today, we are delving into an exciting area of advanced vocabulary, and that is adverb plus adjective collocations. This topic is pivotal as it not only enhances your vocabulary but also makes your English sound more fluent and natural. So, get ready to explore some common examples of adverb plus adjective collocations and learn how to use them effectively in your daily conversations. Before we get to the examples, let's quickly brush up on what exactly adverb plus adjective collocations are. In English, collocations are words that naturally go together. When we talk about adverb and adjective collocations, we're referring to a combination of an adverb and an adjective that commonly co-occur. For instance, utterly disappointed, or highly recommend. These phrases are more expressive and often more accurate than simply using an adjective alone. Now that we understand the concept, let's jump straight into some common adverb plus adjective collocations. Here are some widely used combinations. 1. Deeply sorry. It's a way to express profound regret or apology. E.g., I am deeply sorry for your loss. 2. Highly likely, unlikely. This shows a strong possibility or impossibility. E.g., it's highly likely it will rain today. 3. Utterly disappointed. This implies extreme disappointment. E.g., I was utterly disappointed by the movie. 4. Fully aware. Signifies complete awareness or consciousness. E.g., she was fully aware of the consequences. 5. Seriously injured. Implies a severe injury. E.g., he was seriously injured in the accident. Remember, these are just a few examples, and the list goes on. The key here is to practice using these collocations in your regular communication to make them a part of your natural language use. Learning is effective when it's put into practice. So, let's frame some sentences using these adverb plus adjective collocations. 1. After hearing the terrible news, he was deeply sorry for his friend's loss. 2. With the clouds gathering, it is highly likely to rain. 3. The food at the restaurant was not up to par. I was utterly disappointed. 4. Even though she took the risk, she was fully aware of the potential outcome. 5. The accident was so severe that the driver was seriously injured. Try framing your own sentences with different adverb plus adjective collocations for better understanding and retention. That brings us to the end of this lesson on adverb plus adjective collocations. We hope that these common collocations will help enrich your English vocabulary and make your expressions more vivid and meaningful. Practice is the key to mastering these collocations, so try to incorporate them into your daily English communication. Stay tuned for more such lessons to boost your language skills. Happy learning!